very Andy Warhol. This lane is incredible, the one I'm about to show you. Hi, boredom breakers! Since I haven't yet touched on the third main topic of the channel, which is art, I decided to make this very short video about street art in a Canadian city, which in this case is Windsor, Ontario. There's actually a very interesting graffiti work, sculptures, and other types of artwork in Windsor. So I hope you like this short video. So my main art videos will normally be in exhibits and museums and so on. I still appreciate street art. I hope you guys enjoy it too. Thank you so much for the people who subscribed. You have no idea how happy that makes me. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, and I would love to hear your suggestions for adventures in the comment section. Okay, this is certainly one of the biggest graffiti walls I've ever seen. It covers an entire side of a building and it's well detailed. Wow, kudos to whoever did this. Okay, so this lane is incredible, the one I'm about to show you. It's so artistic, there's so much graffiti work, really cool cafes and restaurants. That one is called Hustle, I think, for whatever reason. Anyways, it's super cool, so let's check it out. It's one of those old-fashioned cinemas, as in theaters. That is so cool. I don't think it's a real one, but wow. As I understand it, Windsor University is nearby, so maybe this is part of, you know, like student work or something. I don't think it's randomly disorganized. This is super cute. Oh my god. Wow. My god, it's gorgeous. Who did this? Whoever it is, kudos. Honestly, it's gorgeous. So beautiful. There's some sort of cute, I don't know if there's a restaurant or a cafe, but it's super cute. Wow. There's more over here. Some sort of back alley, but for whatever reason, it's so colorful and artistic. Wow, that is dedication, I gotta say. It's incredible. There's some sort of building over there with more graffiti. I wonder what that is. Wow. Oh wow. Did they even work the whatever this is called, electricity meter or box or whatever? Wow, this is beautiful. Who did this? Okay, I have no idea where I'm going, but kind of intrigued by all the it's not just graffiti, it's actually artwork. Look at those. I don't know, they're like lambs, like the top parts of lambs. How cute is that? It's the cutest thing ever. What is this place anyway? I'm guessing this is a part of the university, or maybe the I don't know, arts college or whatever. I have no idea where this goes, but let's see. Okay. Oh my god, I love that. Wow, this place is actually quite artistic. Okay, I feel like I'm in some sort of, open contemporary exhibit or something. This is, yeah, this must have taken a lot of work. Okay, I don't know about you, but I love the boxes on top, the red ones. Very Andy Warhol. They're beautiful, aren't they? Very contemporary. Normally I'm not a contemporary art fan, to be honest. I don't mind it. I think some of it is ingenious and great, but I'm a classic art girl. But I gotta say, contemporary does have its moments. Okay, so I guess I reached the end of Maiden Lane West, or at least parts of it. I think I covered all of it, but I'm not sure. But yeah, this was kind of interesting. If you're interested in graffiti or art in general, I think you might find this quite interesting. Thank you for watching. Remember, life is short, don't waste it.